In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a cTrader demo account. A demo account lets you practice trading with virtual funds so you can learn the platform and test strategies without risking real money. We'll walk through the process on cTrader Web, keeping everything clear and straightforward. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the cTrader platform. On the site, click Get cTrader. This brings up different ways to use the platform. Scroll down until you see cTrader Web, then open it. Using the web version means there's nothing to install, and it works well in modern browsers. If you plan to return often, consider bookmarking the page for quick access later. Once cTrader Web loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the account bar, which shows an account number and a balance. This is your control center for switching and creating accounts. Click the account bar to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Open New Trading Account. You'll be asked to pick the account type. Select Demo. This ensures you're working with virtual money so you can experiment freely. Now it's time to set your preferences. First, choose the deposit amount. This is the virtual balance that will appear in your demo account. Pick a number that reflects what you'd realistically practice with. You can always create another demo later if you want to try a different size. Next, choose your currency. This is simply the base currency your account will display. Pick the one you're most comfortable tracking. Then, set the leverage. Leverage controls how much market exposure you have relative to your balance. Higher leverage amplifies both gains and losses, while lower leverage keeps things more conservative. Since this is a demo, feel free to test different levels to understand how it affects margin and position sizing. You'll also choose the account type. Hedging or netting. Hedging allows multiple positions in the same symbol, including opposing positions, which is useful if you manage trades independently or scale in and out. Netting consolidates positions in the same symbol into one net position, which can be simpler if you prefer a single averaged entry. Pick the style that matches how you want to practice. When everything looks right, click Create Account. Your new demo account will appear in the account bar, ready to use. You can switch to it and start exploring charts, placing test orders, and getting familiar with the platform, all in a risk-free environment.